In the silence of a restless night, a king was shaken to his soul. Dreams of glory, dreams of power, kingdoms rising, losing hope. Human wisdom stood in darkness, could not read what God had shown, till the Lord revealed his purpose through a servant not his own. From the head of gold to iron feet, history moves by heaven's hand. Every crown will pass away, only truth will stand. The world's time clock is winding down. Kingdoms rise and fall to the ground. A stone not cut by human hand will stand forever, rule the land. Turn your heart before time's gone. God's eternal kingdom is coming on. Iron strong but mixed with weakness, clay that never truly binds. Nations promise peace and safety, still divided every time. Power shifts and thrones are trembling. Plans of men will never last, but the word already told us what would come and what has passed. Not by might nor human will, not by wealth or force or sword. Times and seasons move in order by the counsel of the Lord. The world's time clock is counting down. Iron and clay won't hold their ground. A stone not formed by mortal hands will break God's crowns, will never stand. Hear the call before it's gone. God's eternal kingdom is coming on. No more fear, no more confusion, no more night, no tearful cry. All the wounds of sin and sorrow he will heal when Christ draws nigh. Now's the hour, now's the moment. Choose the truth, the living way. Earthly kingdoms fade like shadows. God's bright kingdom is here to stay. World's time clock is speaking clearly. The signs are near, the end draws near. A sure foundation, firm and strong. A kingdom that will last lifelong. The world's time clock has nearly run, but hope still stands in God's own Son. A stone not cut by